Cool.
My name is Tyesha Nelson.
All right, Nelson. I have to say congratulations on starting the conversation and qualifying, helping Jamaica to qualify to the Under 20 Championship. Definitely. So for you, how was the qualifiers campaign for you?
I didn't play the first match because of injury, but I came back out strong in the second match and help the team get a victory. In the third match, it was quite difficult. It was the most difficult match, but we pulled through and yeah, we tapped our zone. And
definitely, you guys did well, I have to say. So, regards to your performance, what do you think about your performance through the campaign?
Well, my performance was very consistent, very strong performance. I showed up to be a leader on the pitch, on and off the pitch, encouraging my teammates all the way, helping them to get the victory, and helping them to just tap the zone.
Basically, you said the last match was quite difficult. What made it that difficult for you guys?
The Honduras girls were very passionate as us, and they had the same goal as us, to tap the group and move on to the next. So it was very difficult. But the winner was us, and we were hungrier than them.
What do you think was the difference between you guys? Instead of not only being hungry, but what else do you think was the difference between both you and Honduras, and the reason why you guys got the result?
Because we're more quicker than them, more agile than them. Yeah, but we are on the same technical level.
Yeah. All right, so you're back now. What is the concentration level now for the championship since you guys have qualified? Because it will be a different ball game.
Yeah, we know that it will be more difficult. We just have to continue putting in the work and listen to our coach's instruction. Yes.
All right, well done again, and congratulations, and hope to see you for the championship. And I have to say, well done again.
Thank you.